Where did you? Anything you want.
Cardano, ADA, price prediction by EOY, $1.32 or $10. Cardano ADA has been gaining on more momentum during the last couple of weeks, and although we have seen Cardano plummeting by -50% in the course of the last 2 months due to the frequent sluggish market trends, with the latest rebound, ADA is seen up by 12% in a single day. Moreover, the foundation behind ADA announced the release of EOY, Cardano Virtual Machine, which enables ADA users to easily join the trend of dApp creation through Cardano network. The Team EOY and Cardano Foundation are looking to create a massively adopted payment method out of ADA, alongside working on finding solutions for some of the biggest problems in the blockchain space. Since ADA alongside with Cardano makes up for an integral part of blockchain community, some bold predictions indicate that ADA could even reach the price of $10 per 1 unit by the end of the year, while there is a strong possibility that ADA is going back to its all-time high by the time we meet 2019. Can Cardano ADA reach the value of $1.32? With the most recent trend in the market, all cryptocurrencies are seen going up, some spiking up and some only getting used to the latest rebound. In this case, on September 21st, Cardano was seen going up by 12% against the fiat in the course of the last 24 hours, which boosts ADA's price on the weekly chart as well, having it going up by 19% against the fiat during the last 7 days. ADA made it to its record price back in January of the current year when the majority of cryptos in the market went spiking up to reach their all-time high values, where Cardano scored the price of around $1.30. If you take a look at the charts of ADA, observing the period of the last quarter of 2017, you will notice that around this time last year, Cardano was priced somewhere at $0.020, where we can now see it trading at the value of over $0.080, however still more than 10 times lower than its all-time high. Regardless of its current price, Cardano is bringing some novelties to the blockchain space that one cannot simply ignore, especially when it comes to the fact that Cardano makes up for one of few currencies that actually has scientists and academics reviewing and working on the project, which in a way makes the currency reliable. Since the EOY is set to introduce the utilization of smart contract technology to the network, making the process of dApp creation fairly simplified with a special programming language, naturally ADA as a currency is gaining more on popularity among investors, also having announced that Trezor hardware wallet will be adding support for ADA in the course of the next several weeks. That being said, ADA could easily get to its previous all-time high by the end of the year, potentially breaking through the value of $1 and going for $1.32 in case the market cuts some loose on dictating sluggish trends. Can Cardano, ADA, reach the value of $10? Even though the CEO and founder of Ethereum, Vitalik Buterin, said that it is less likely that the market is ever going to see a 1000% again as it was the case earlier, the top 10 list is always packed with enthusiasm and anxiety likewise. So, even if Buterin has a point about claiming that the hype is over when it comes to unintentional price pumps, the market still has a good chance of rising up by at least 100% in the course of the next few months, especially if Charles Hoskinson and his teams manage to share some of the work they have mentioned regarding solutions for scalability, interoperability, and sustainability. While the price of $10 looks probably a bit unrealistic at this point, the fact is that Cardano ADA might eventually get there at least in the first quarter of 2019, as the currency has shown a flattering dose of exponential growth since it has been first launched as an ICO. As ADA is getting more adopted as an alternative payment method, the interest in Cardano, as well as its price in the market, could suddenly push ADA towards getting on its all-time high once again, and hopefully breaking through the resistance and heading for the price of $10 as the next milestone. As Cardano ADA at this point has a long way to go till it reaches the value of $10, we can never neglect the fact that a single positive news or a single smart move can push any crypto to the moon at rocket speed.